Hello, and welcome to the Okeechobee Library's YouTube channel. I'm Araceli, and today, keeping in theme with our Forest Animals Week, for our STEM, we are making a popsicle stick bird feeder. Looks like this. And so for that, you're going to need scissors, popsicle sticks. If you want it to be colorful, like this one, you will need the colored popsicle sticks. You can, of course, color them yourself if you'd like. It is also recommended that you use jumbo popsicle sticks if you want a little bit of a sturdier bird feeder, but we're just using the regular popsicle sticks. Some twine or string to hang it with, and of course, your bird feed. You will also need glue. We are using a hot glue gun today to make it just a little bit sturdier. So if you do want to do that and you are kids making this at home, make sure you get the help of a parent or guardian. All right, let's begin. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your popsicle sticks and pick one to find the length of the bird feeder, like the width of it. So you're going to take one and use it as a guide for the width, and then you're just going to lay popsicle sticks down in a row. And then you're going to take your glue or your hot glue and glue that down to one end to the other side. And then once you have the two bars down, you're not gonna really need to do a line anymore. You're just gonna be doing dots on the corners where your popsicle sticks will intersect. So dot here and dot here. And then you just stick the popsicle stick down. And that is your base done. So then we want to create the little stand for the bird so that he can stand there and eat his bird seed. So you're going to take a popsicle stick, whatever color you want to do, and you're going to glue it in the middle of one of the sides of your bottom, and then you're going to glue your popsicle stick about a third of the way down, like so. And then you're going to continue, like I said, you can do whatever colored pattern you want. So you're just going to continue building that up. And just keep going for however tall you want it to be. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your twine or your string and you're going to pull off a good amount, however long you want it, however, depends on if you have a very high tree that you want your bird feeder to hang from or if it's a short one. We're just going to take two of these, the same length, and then we're going to take one and slip it through the top layer there and then pull it around and then tie it to the corner. And then you're going to take your other end of string and go to the opposite side and do the same thing. And then you're going to take your other string and do the same thing on the other side. And then you're gonna end up with these two loops on the end here. If you want to hang it up like that, that's fine. But if you want to do it where it's just one loop, you're going to take the loops, run one through the other one, and then open it up and then run it through again. And just keep doing that. You're just going to take your bird feed and add it in there. And just hang it on your tree. So that was our popsicle stick bird feeder. This is a STEM activity, so if you want to experiment with it and see if you can build it to where it works a little better, that is what STEM's about. So do whatever you want and wherever your heart takes you to make sure you get the best bird feeder for your house. And again, this is part of our summer reading program, so every Tuesday through Saturday there will be a new video up on our channel that will involve at-home games you can try, or art activities or crafts, or more STEM videos, or food recipes you can try at home that are simple and fun. But if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Bye.